Hey friends, welcome back to episode 6 of the Study Success series. Exams are near and we know how it feels. The books that were exciting to read suddenly seem like a tough challenge, and that once friendly teacher seems like a strict examiner. Plus, there's that voice inside your head that starts whispering doubts. It's natural to feel a little overwhelmed. But remember, feeling nervous and being not so confident is very different from actually performing poorly in an exam. So if you want to tackle those nerves and boost your confidence before an exam, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Today we'll be sharing 3 ways to gain that extra confidence so that you can walk into your exam hall feeling ready and positive. Don't forget to watch all the way till the end, because the third one is super important. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get started with number 1, revise smart. So many students make the mistake of trying to go through their entire syllabus just before the exam. They stress themselves out by trying to remember everything. As a result, they end up getting more nervous and less confident. Instead, here's what you can do. Take a deep breath, relax, and look at the syllabus. Quickly identify the topics which will be tested in the exam. Find out the chapters or points you need to study. Don't get bogged down with details. At this point, you just need to get an overview of what you need to cover. Once done, skim through your summary notes, flashcards, or mind maps. Revise smartly by focusing on key points, rather than trying to stuff your brain with every little detail. The idea is to refresh your memory and make sure that you know what you know. Trust us, revising smartly will help you feel much more confident and less stressed before your exam. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, why not give us a thumbs up and stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's move on to number 2, positive talk. We all have that inner voice in our head, that tiny chatterbox that keeps yapping. Sometimes it can be a real pain, especially when it starts questioning your abilities or telling you worst-case scenarios. For example, will I fail the exam? What if I forget everything? Stop it. That inner voice can either be your biggest supporter or your greatest critic. So it's important to manage what your inner voice says. When you start feeling nervous, take a moment, turn around and face yourself like you would a good friend. What would you say to a friend who is doubting their abilities? Be kind, be encouraging, and be positive. Start talking to yourself in the same way. Say things like, I have prepared well, I can handle this, I am capable. Make it a habit to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. You might feel silly at first, but over time it will sink in and your mind will start believing in these positive statements. This practice, known as positive self-talk, can help you build confidence and reduce exam stress. Remember, your mindset matters. If you believe in yourself and your abilities, you'll be able to perform better in your exams. And now it's time for number 3. Visualize. Picture this. You're sitting in the exam hall, a big smile on your face, calm and focused as you write your answers. You feel like you've got this whole exam thing wrapped up. Well, let me tell you, it's not just a daydream, it's the power of visualization. Visualization is like a mental rehearsal where you imagine yourself doing something. In this case, acing your exams with flying colors. By visualizing success, you trick your brain into thinking it's already happened. This helps calm your nerves and boosts your confidence. Here's how you can use visualization to get that extra edge. Close your eyes and imagine yourself entering the exam hall. Picture yourself sitting at your desk, feeling focused and in control. Visualize each step of the exam process, including reading the instructions, answering questions, and even handing in your paper. Visualize yourself as a glowing superstar. See yourself as the smartest person in the room. See yourself raising your hand to answer every question correctly. See yourself completing the exam with a huge smile. When you visualize yourself in this way, you start to believe in your abilities. This belief gives you confidence. It's like preparing your mind for the actual event. So take a few moments each day to visualize your success. Imagine yourself as a confident, capable student who is ready to ace the exam. Trust me, it works. And hey, while you're on this journey, don't forget to stay connected. Hit the subscribe button and be the first to know when we drop new videos packed with awesome study tips. Now let's wrap it up with number 4, stay fresh. Often we forget that our body plays a crucial role in our confidence level. Feeling sluggish or unwell can affect our focus and make us doubt our abilities. On the other hand, feeling energized and healthy can make us feel like we can take on the world. So how can we ensure that we are feeling our best before an exam? It's simple. Just follow these 3 steps. First, sleep on time. Our brain needs plenty of rest to function at its best. Staying up all night trying to cram for an exam can leave you feeling exhausted and drained, which can take a toll on your confidence. So make sure to get a good night's sleep before your exam. Set a consistent sleep schedule and stick to it as much as possible. A well-rested mind is a confident mind. Second, eat light. What we eat has a direct impact on how we feel. Eating heavy, greasy foods can make us feel sluggish and low on energy, which is not what we want before an exam. On the other hand, eating light, nutritious foods can keep us feeling fresh and focused. Opt for meals that are rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains and avoid heavy, processed foods. Staying light and healthy will help you maintain your energy levels and focus on your exam. Third, Drink plenty of water. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining our physical and mental health. When we are dehydrated, we may feel tired, off our game, and not at our best. On the other hand, staying hydrated can help us feel alert and focused. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and sip on it throughout the day. Staying hydrated will help you feel refreshed and ready to take on the exam. By following these tips, you can ensure that your body is in top condition to support your mind and help you feel confident and prepared for your exams. Remember, taking care of our physical health is just as important as hitting the books when it comes to acing those exams. As we wrap up this episode, let's take a moment to appreciate your resilience and hard work. Remember, confidence is not just about knowing your stuff, it's also about believing in yourself. In the next episode of the Study Success series, we'll delve into how to learn from your mistakes after the exam and come back even stronger. Stay tuned, and until then, keep crushing your goals. Stay motivated, keep learning, and remember, you've got this. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. We've got more fantastic videos coming your way, so stay tuned for more study tips, motivation, and success strategies. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.